So the last thing on my list is making a records request. So if you hover over leadership and government anywhere on the website, and right here you've got records request, and that's going to take you to this page where we've got information. So there are 2 different types of records requests you can make with the city of Bullhead City. 3 if you include the court, but that's under the municipal court. But if you're looking to request a record with the city, and it's mainly city admin related, this is how you do it. So you have your information, you've got a specific email, BullheadCityAZ.gov. You've got a fax line, or you can send it to us in mail, or you can drop this off to the city clerk's office. If the record you're requesting is a police report, you got information just down here, right? You have police report public records request form, so it's a slightly different form, mostly just the same information, but you're going to submit that directly to the police department. There's a phone number you can call, email records@bullheadcityaz.gov, so it's still the same email address, and you can still mail it or deliver it in person. This time, though, you're going to go into the police department to submit that. You can pull up the form with the quick button, right? So this is what the form looks like. It's right there, so you can download that real easy. And then there's also records that you can find under municipal court. If you're looking for those, that'd be pretty straightforward to find. So, for example, you just go to the court, and you've got quick links here to the attorney's office, the court process ordinances, prosecutor's office, victim services. And you'll be able to find what you're looking for.